just drove up and around there and over to that. That is sick. So that is the Coromandel Peninsula, the top of it, very top of the peninsula. The sun's out now too, rain's gone, and it's going to be sunny for, well, it's going to be weather like this for the next few days, which will be sick. That there is Fletcher's Bay, and yeah, so we were on the other side of that hill, at Stony Bay. They look pretty sick on the drone. We're going to go around to Port Jackson and set up camp there for the night, and then tomorrow I could come back here in the morning and go for a dive out on those rocks, which look pretty nice. So that's Little Barrier and that's Great Barrier Islands. Fletcher's Bay where we just were, and we're driving around here to go back to Port Jackson, which is here. Wow, that's insane. So we're at Port Jackson, obviously camp for the night and getting out for a swim. So nice here. The wind's died off completely and it's just flat. Looking straight out to Little Barrier Island. Top of the Coromandel Peninsula. Woohoo! New Zealand's done it again.